what's up, y'all? Hey, I got me some leftover rice. And guess what? Today is Monday. So you know what that means. Need this. So we finna hook up some veggie fried rice. And it's finna be so tasty, y'all. Oh my goodness. But anyway, you know what time it is. Let's get it.
So yeah, y'all, we gonna start off by cutting up our veg. So we gonna go ahead and get this onion diced up. Now hey, don't forget to give me the LSS. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. And hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Glad that you're here. Hope to see you again. But anyway, back to the video. After we get our onion nice to diced up, we gonna go ahead and turn our attention to our carrot. Now, we're gonna dice this carrot up, but first thing first, we just gonna cut it into 3 even strips. Then after we cut it into 3 even strips, we gonna cut it into like little matchsticks. And then just simply dice it up. We're gonna do the exact same thing with our bell pepper, green bell pepper. And then we just gonna dice these on there. Now you can dice them up as small or as big as you like. You know, make it the way you like, y'all. And then we gonna dice up our garlic. Oh yeah, we ready to cook, y'all. We ready to cook. So once our garlic is all diced up, we're gonna go ahead and get about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil into our wok. And after we get our oil into our wok, we're gonna start off with our carrots, because of course they're gonna have to cook the longest, y'all. And we're gonna get some good color on them. Get a little char on them. Hey, that char make it better, y'all. That char make it better. Don't be scared of a little char. Get those a little mixy mix. Then of course, you know we got a rain on. Gotta hit them with a little salt, a little pepper, fresh of course. Then let's go ahead and get our onions and our bell peppers into our wok to join the party, y'all. They gotta join in. They gotta join in. So what we're trying to do here, we're trying to build up a good char on those carrots. Get them looking nice and tender and juicy. And yeah, let's give this a mixy mix now that we done let our carrots sit at the bottom on a good heat for about a minute and a half, y'all. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's starting to look good, y'all. Starting to look good. Now once we get a nice char on our carrots and everything is looking pretty tasty, we're gonna give it a good mix. And y'all know what's next, right? I know you can tell. We gotta go ahead and add that rice in, y'all. We gotta go ahead and add in that rice. Now, you always want to use leftover rice. You don't want to use fresh rice for this. It'll never come out right. The rice is gonna end up being mushy, and nobody wants mushy rice. Who wants that? But anyway, once we get our rice in, let's go ahead and give that a quick little toss to the side, and we're gonna add in our garlic. Now we never added in our garlic, but just before we add in, I added just a little bit more sesame oil, just because it seemed like the pan was a little dry. And then we're gonna go ahead and get our garlic in. Now we never added in our garlic because I didn't want it overcooked, and I knew those carrots was gonna take a long time. Cause you know, overcooked garlic tastes burnt to it. It really do. So let's give this a mix. Then let's start adding in our sausage. Now, here I'm adding in just a little bit more sesame oil for flavor. Just a little bit. Now this is more about flavor than oil in the pan. Cause sesame oil does have a flavor, y'all, if you don't know. It really does. You don't want to overuse it. But yeah, you want to bring that flavor with that sesame oil. And then we're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then we're going to give that a mix. And hey, it's time to eat, y'all. It's time to eat. So let's go and plate up, y'all. So check it. I made me I fried me some mushrooms on the side, only because my wife wanted hers raw. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with it, y'all. And I added mine to it later. But look how tasty that look. Oh my goodness. Vegetable fried rice. Ain't nothing but one word to say. Tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling. See ya.